Hi everyone, in front of me I've got VIVO V29 and let me share with you how to check for the software updates on this device. So first of all, make sure that you've got the internet connection. It is required so your device will have a chance to actually look for some updates, and then we can enter the settings. Right here, let's scroll down a little bit to find the system update. Basically, your device will show you that you've got something to do here because it will show you this notification. So that's the very first sign that you probably have the system update. So let's tap on this section. And as you can see, right here, we've got one of the two different scenarios which you can meet. In my case, I can download and apply new version. Your device will of course show you the information about the new version, so what has been added, what's new, what has been fixed, etc. It is also divided between those different sections like camera, network, etc. And of course, all you have to do is to tap on download and install. The second scenario which you can meet is that your device will show you the information that everything is up to date, you're up to date, you've got the newest software possible, and there's nothing to do here because everything looks fine. So as I said, you've got two different scenarios. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.